Good evening, you awesome, fantastic, wonderful lot. Pokemon Tommy here. Hope everyone is safe and well. Bit of a late video for tonight, on this Friday night, and we've had another wave of Destin Rivals by the looks of things. And yes, I am going for the master set of Destin Rivals. It's going to be a long way before I can actually get to complete the entire thing. But I will be literally trying to get as many singles as I can from opening these packs. I need reverse hollows, the great big money card of Mewtwo, Ho-Ho and all that stuff. So the big expensive ones. So fingers crossed I will probably do a video once it's complete and to show you awesome, fantastic, wonderful lot. So without further ado, we've got 18 packs of Destin Rivals here, which I managed to find and get hold of. So I've no sleeves with me, unless I have some in my big blue binder. I do, I have a few, so see if we get any hits from these packs. I think they're just literally sat there in front of me. So yeah, 18 lovely packs of Destin Rivals. I'm going to try and like sort them out really quickly. Maybe I should do this before I do the video, but end of the day, it is what it is. These did have a pre-release. Obviously, Pokemon said they were doing another wave of Destin Rivals, and here we are. Some shops seem to have managed to get another wave of Destin Rivals. It's been a while since I've opened this, to be fair, on this channel. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ho-Ho, 1, 2, 3 Rockets, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of Mewtwo and Giovanni. 2, 3, 4, 5 of Cynthia's Garchomp. So I think what we're going to do first is we're going to go with the Destin Rivals, obviously trio on here. So here we go, pack number 1 from these. Wow, these are hard to get into. 18 random packs. That there's not even out of an 18 box, to be honest. They're just literally 18 packs I managed to get hold of. Yeah, so pack number 1. Not showing the code card because obviously I will be let's say fire energy. Nope, it's electric, and it is actually 1 from back to the front, like it always is now for some random reason, but I think it's better than 3. So Destin Rivals, here we go, pack number 1. We start with Lightning Energy with Mrs. Magikarp, Mankey, Mareep, Tarantula, Team Rocket's Bot. As I am waiting for the master set of this, so should be interesting once it's all nicely and completed. I'm like 2/3 of the way there with the reverse hollows and hollows, and you know, all that other stuff. Yeah, so Heart Flame Mask Ogapon with the fire, coming in with Manectric, into reverse hollow Hippo down, into reverse hollow Rotom. Do we get a hit? No, we get Team Rocket's Articuno, but this card is being played very heavily at the minute due to the Team Rocket's. Wow, how Destin Rivals packs are so hard to get into. It's Team Rockets, they don't want to thingy your Pokemon. Sorry about that, just dropped something. So going on to pack number 2. Grass. No, it's dark, but that's fine. Okay, we're starting off with a dark Pokemon. Oh, Dark Energy Dark Pokemon. Man is Scraggy. Into Mudbray, Breloom, Snover, Hippo down. Man is Mogrem, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb. Reverse Hollow Buzel into... Oh, let's freaking go! We've got Team Rocket's Houndoom. Let's go! First hit on pack number 2. Do we get number 1? No, we've got the Blaze Curve. Look at that. Pack fresh. Lovely hit there. Team Rocket's Houndoom. That is actually a nice lovely card, actually, to be fair. Just off on one side, I think. But there's no... That is a nice card, you've got to admit. Team Rocket's Houndoom from pack number 2. Let's go. So, let's see if pack... Wow. Let's see if pack number 3 can bring us some pack luck. Take the Houndoom. Oh, no. Give me this, give me this, give me this. Fight Energy. Hey, we got one right. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. Pack number 3. Torchic. Rotom. Team Rocket's Nidoran. Steve's Carbink. Into Energy Recycler. Team Rocket's Murkrow. Barraskewda. Breloom. Rattata into Zeraora Hollow. Okay, so next pile, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Cynthia, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Ethan Zoho. No, we'll go with the Cynthia. I was going to go with the Ethan's Oho. Does anybody actually remember Destin Rivals packs being this hard to get into? Because I don't. Like, literally, I don't. Energy. Psychic. Grass. Still got it wrong. That's fine. Okay, come in with pack number 4. Team Rocket's Rattata. Into Akuda. Mustive. Dolive. Cynthia's Weight. Or Power Weight into Team Rocket's Golbat. Mudgedale. Reverse Hollow Purloin. Reverse Hollow Hypno into Misty's Gyarados. Okay. Another Cynthia, pack number 5. Seriously? I generally can't remember when these, like, literally were so hard to get into. Fire Energy. Metal. Right, 1 energy right so far. Pack number 6. We're coming in with Rella. Kramer. Houndoom. Magikarp. Barraskewda. Medichon. Psyduck. Marnie's Morpeko. Steve's Metan, and into Cynthia's Roserade. Let's go with an Ethan pack. Seriously? So far we've had Team Rocket's Articuno, which is very useful around about now. And we had the Team Rocket's Houndoom. There's 2. Houndoom is the main pull one. Did we do the energy? Psychic. Fighting. That was the hit card then. It could have been. We don't know. Spinneroonie it. Okay. Hippotas. Rocky's Ekans into Combustion. Cynthia's Phoebus. Arvin's Toad Screw. Rocket Bat. Ogre Pawn. Primate. Come on, let's have something. Into Electric. And another Mrs. Gyarados. Something that I didn't really want to see. Come on, we're going with a Giovanni pack. Come on, Giovanni pack. Come on, Giovanni. Fire. Hey, that's 2 energies right so far. That's good. No, I don't think we've got anything. I think I've just seen what card it is. Cyndaquil. Rocket Bat. Big Nose. Dash. Orbital. Great Ball. Ogre Pawn. Sacred Dash. Yes, I didn't think it was going to be anything. As soon as I turned the cards round, I saw the hollow at the back, unfortunately, on that one. But at least we got the energy right, I suppose. Psychic. Fighting. Fighting ones in these. Right, let's not see the hit card. And coming in again with Ratata. Blitberg. Come on, let's have a hit. Larvitar. Eldum. Team Rocket's Factory. Ogre Pawn. Lurantis. Into your Reverse Hollow Yamna. Ooh, into Reverse Hollow Spike with Jim. And, oh, we're coming with Cynthia's Garchomp. Another hit. Take it though, it's still a hit. Hit is a hit, no matter what. It's definitely not the Ascended one. So 2 hits out of these packs so far. Not sure how many we've got left to open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay then. This is pack number 9 then. Got 9 left to open. For the energy, I'm going to say Metal. Fighting again. Loves giving me the fighting energy. Okay. Drowsy. Cool. Impidim. Buzel. Rocket's Muck. The boss himself, Giovanni. One of my friend's all-time favourites, Arcanine, and should have been a part of the Legendary Pokemon, which I will say this. If I ever come across Arcanine, I'm doing like pack openings and stuff, I will say this. This one, it should have gone Articuno, Zapdos, Arcanine. And that is true. So if anybody wants to put anything in the comments saying Arcanine shouldn't be Legendary, yes it was. But they replaced it with Moltres instead. So Arcanine, or Arcanine. Hello, Smoliv. Come on, let's have a hit. Into Reverse Hello. Team Rocket's Wobbuffet. And Ethan's Hello, Typhlosion. Come on, Cynthia's Garchomp. So 2 hits, literally. Or 2 main hits out of all these packs so far. 9 more to go. Metal. Psychic. 2 energies right. Come on. Rocky's Ekans. Combustion. Phoebus. Dottler. Toadskrull. Golbat. Team Rocket's Archer. Hello, Ponyta. Hello, Ethan Archer. Into goddamn hello, Gorbis. Come on, Ethan's Oho pack. Metal. It's fighting. There's another fighting energy. Okay, let's go. Ethan Slug. Yamna, Gimel, Pinnacle, Sacred Ash, Huntail, Marnie's Crafty, Reverse Hello Nido Queen, Into Electabuzz, and another goddamn Curvus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. Come on. Open the pack. Literally. Psychic. Fire. Come on. We need a hit. We need something else. Like a Mewtwo or something. Bloodbug. Larvitar. Beldum. Come on. Seadoodle. A Factory. Ogerpan. Lurantis. Come on. Grimer. Dodler into goddamn hollow. So 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going out of this 6. I'm going to save this one for the last and open these. So we have Lucky Last, which I'm going to put over here in the back there. Fighting. Water. Do you know what? I wouldn't even have thought of water then, to be honest. Come on, we need something. Mankey. Mareep. Well, Rocket's Mareep. Tarantula. Ratata. T-Rocket Bot. Ogerpan. Manectric. Come on. Torchic. Into Cycler. Into Annihilate Hollow. 2 and 2. We'll go with the Giovanni one since I've saved the Giovanni one till last. These packs are really... Let's go. Electric. Metal. Come on. Applin. Zubat. Meowth. Dwebble. Ogerpan. Shaman. An Ethan's Adventure. Into Fire Hollow Ogerpan. Orbital. Into... Okay, I'll take it. Yeah, it's a hit. It's a Abreliever. It's still a half art, but I'll take it. It's still a hit. So hit number 3. And we have 1, 2, 3, with 4 packs to go. I'll take the Rocket's Houndoom though. I think Team Rocket's Houndoom was like £16 in value. But Team Rocket things just seem to be going up. Fire. Hey, we got number 3 energy right. Let's go. We need a boom. Come on. Arvind Scovet. Rella. We need a boom. That's what we need. Rockets. Dalt Grimer. Houndoom. Watchtower. Medichen. Sorry, my cat's having a mad hour. Misty Side Up. So, Hollow Dwebble. Reverse Hollow Feedback. Come on. Oh, we've got... Oh, we've got... Yeah, mega. Still a hit. I'll take it. Hit number 4. Let's do... It's still a hit. I'll take it. Hit is a hit. Dark energy. Lightning. 3 energies right. We need a boom. That's what we need. Mudbray. Breloom. Snover. Hippotas. Hippodown. Mogrem. N-bomb up in here. Bloodbug. Into Meows. Into Sunshine. Hit number 5. They're racking up now. Second to last pack. Second to the very last pack. Come on, we need a hit. Something. Something. Fighting. Psychic. Okay, psychic energy is usually good. Let's spin a Rooney. Let's go. Okay, second last pack. Breloom. Snowbird. Epotas. Rocket Ekans. Cynthia's Power Weight. Rocket's Bat. Mudsdale. MC's High into... Oh, let's freaking go! Boom! We have, I think this is the illustration Blaziken. I'll take that. Lovely. Lovely, lovely card there. Blaziken, do we get another hit? Oh, we get a Spidops too. Actually, I actually do need this one. That's cool. Another one. Boom. Let's freaking go. We've pulled a Blaziken. Lovely art right there. I'll take that. Thank you. So hit number 6 from the second to the last pack. Take it. Okay, last pack magic. This one must be the easiest pack. Let's just open all this video. Last and final pack. See if we can get the energy correct. I'm going to go with water. Oh, it's grass. Of course it is. Okay, let's spin this round. Okay, last pack magic. Ethan's Pichu. Yamna. Misty's Lapras. Primate. Team Rocket's Transceiver. Team Rocket's Nidoqueen. Granite Cave. Into Reverse Hollow Rapidash. Coming in with, let's go, another hit. Team Rocket's Wheezing, illustration rare. And a Arven's Gradient Hollow. I'll take it. Still a hit. So, from the 18 packs that we've just opened, the random pack, should I say, from 2 completely different books, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not counting articles. We've got 7 hits. I'll take it. It's pretty good. It's not terrible, but it is what it is. But I don't think I've ever pulled a Team Rocket's Houndoom. Now I have. So, and Archer in the photo there. So if you have liked this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification button. And from myself, Pokemon Tommy, hope everyone stays safe. And for myself, Archer, again, for myself, Archer, well, Team Rocket's Archer and Houndoom, please subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification button, and I'll see you awesome, fantastic, wonderful lot in my next video, which is when you'll have to subscribe to my channel, which takes not even half a second to find out. See you later, guys. Bye.